Alright guys, so a lot of you guys probably want to hear what the Blitz Bov about, and honestly I've looked up on YouTube what it could sound like, and I literally cannot find it. Like I probably found one, but it's not even that good of a quality. So I thought maybe I'm gonna try to do it on this car and have Eli record it, because we're gonna go get some food and see if we can hear the blow out pretty clearly on this. So unfortunately my car is not tuned. That's what it looks like. Eli. But because it's not tuned, I can't like blow off from a standstill because there's no boost. But once we drive and there is boost enabled, you guys are going to be able to hear the blow out, which I hope, because if not, fuck. Take one. We don't know if it's going to sound good, but we'll try it.
No. Hi. Who was recording you? For the ones from the Texzle?
Yeah.
Oh man, catch up.
I saw them in my rear.
Catch up. Ooh, I wanna blow a kiss like this to them. You know. Hi. Awkward moment.
Yeah.
Man, I want to be in the vlog!
I want to be in the vlog. Nice car.
Yes, sir. Thank you. He said, I want to be in the vlog.
Who's that guy?
I don't know.
Oh, I thought he knew you or something.
Nah, bro. He saw the video, the stick on the camera, on the stick, and then he was like, "Block me, fool."